Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk how to register NPTEL exam and what is the last date of registration, what is the date of examination and how much fee you can pay and what is the last date of cancellation of the examination. Each and every details I will discuss in the video very briefly. If you want to go with the all details, then I have already provided this video how to fill examination registration form to appear in NPTEL online examination 2020. This is completely detailed video, and in this video what I am recording right now I will provide briefly within 8-minute duration. Okay guys, so now let's get started. I will provide the examination direct link in the video description like this only, so you can get and just click on that. So for exam registration, just you click on the link. Okay, open in new tab. You will find the link in video description guys, NPTEL exam registration link. Once you get the link, okay, so you click there and you will get like this interface. If you are using mobile phone, then kindly go to the Chrome, open this link, and on the top right corner there is 3 dot, click there, go to the desktop mode, and you will get the similar interface, similar look you will get, and you proceed the remaining step. Okay, so you will get like this. Okay, and then after you have to go for personal information, and in personal information you have to give your name, date of birth, your address. Okay, so what is your address you have to go for, and you have to also give the address to address number 2. Okay, and you try to give the address where postal will be available, so that will be the nice. Okay, okay guys, and then after mobile number you have to give, retype your mobile number, alternate mobile number, select your gender, and then after you have to upload your passport size photo. That size must be between 50K to 150K, and signature also 50K to 150K, and detailed instruction you will get once you click there. And you have to also upload your proof, any ID proof like Aadhaar card, voter ID, license, driving license, like that you can submit guys. And if your file size is maximum, then you just go to this link and you just open one link here, document and image size compression. This is completely free online tools. You go through these tools and you upload your image whatever you want to upload during this registration form. So you just select that particular file. Okay, you just go here, let me show you. So you just go here and click on select file. Okay, and then after you select your file guys, I am showing you the demo, so you will get more clarity about it. Okay guys, so let me go. Okay, so like okay, so you can select this file like that. You can select, I am selecting from my internal disk. So you can see here earlier it size was 1.19 MB, now it's reduced to 200 KB, and just you click on here download and you will get download and you can upload. Okay, so you can minimize your size. I will provide the link in video description as I have provided. Okay, and then after you all select those all things, and then after you go for the SC/ST category, and if you are really belong to this category, then only you just go for this option, otherwise you don't go. If you produce any fake information and fake document and apply for it, then NPTEL used to review, cross check the document, and once they detect that you have not authorized person, you have not right, the document has faulty information, then they will cancel your exam, and also you will not get any refund. So your money will be wasted, and even you can't write the exam. So don't go for it. And even if you are the disabled person, you select that option, and if you are more than 40% disability you have, then only you will get uh, the compensation in fee. So you just upload your file and go for that. Okay, and even it must be approved by the doctor, health doctorate, medical officer, whatever the term and condition given, you have to meet those all requirement. Okay, guys. And then after you have to select your role. So you go for role, what your role is. And guys, be very careful while you are filling these all details, because later on you can't change that. There is long process you have to change. If you want to know that, please consider to watch this video. Okay, this video I have provided in full detail. Okay, so you select that option. And how do you know? And for impability means, like NPTEL used to share your score and those things, whatever the mark you score, everything will share with the company, relevant company, if you select this. Otherwise they will not. And motivation for the courses, you can select anything, what is your motivation, and just go for save and continue. Okay, guys. Then after, you have to select address of your college name, your degree, your department, and year of study. And are you taking exam for credit transfer, like that? If you are taking from yes, otherwise no. You can select any option, no problem. Can we share your score with your college? You can select your own option based on your convenient. And save and continue. Go for save and continue. And then after, you will get here like add courses option. So you have to just click on the courses, and you have to select your courses, guys. So like that, I am going to select Joy of Computing, like that. And you can just select the exam date, whatever the dates, and add the course, guys. Okay, well, and okay, so this way you can proceed, guys. And you can also select the city you have to select. So go for select city, and for each and every courses, okay, so you can see here my city already here I am mentioned. Now if you want to edit, you just go for edit and do the required edit. Okay, and save and continue. Just you go for continue and save. Guys, and then after you have to confirm and pay, like that. Okay. And if you want to know the more detailed instruction, then you guys go to this link. Okay, NPTEL all update page, and you will get one page, and you can read all those details. What are the other rules and regulation will be applied, how much fee, and exam dates is also mentioned here. You can see here this exam dates mentioned. What is the last date of filling, and how much you have to pay, each and everything. If you belong to ST and SC, how much you have to pay, each and everything has mentioned. About FDP certificate also mentioned. Once you read, you can understand everything. And kindly you read those all. I think you are smart enough to go with all those details. I need not to read one by one. And if you want to make me read, then please watch this first video. I have already provided this all. Okay, guys, and if you want to know precisely the date of examination for any courses, then open this link, NPTEL all courses exam date sheet, and you will get this, and just press Ctrl F and just search the course name. Programming in Java I am searching, so you can see here programming in Java, and the exam date is December 19th. Okay, guys, so this way you can track it back and do the all things. And if you really like my work, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Your subscription and like will give me more motivation to provide video on time and work more for your health. Okay, guys, and if you have any doubt, if you are facing any problem regarding this, then feel free to ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or LinkedIn, or Instagram, whatever the platform I have provided, all those links in video description. Try to use that. And also I am providing 7 different NPTEL courses solution this semester. So even you can get all those links in video description. These all courses name you can see. So 7 courses I am providing. So you can also take advantage of this to solve your assignment. and please refer this solution and cross check your answer with my best answer. I have completed 13 NPTEL courses, so I am much more familiar with NPTEL assignment and the process. So I am trying to help you out. Okay guys, so thanks a lot for watching this video, and soon I will provide video on how to prepare for NPTEL exam and how can secure the better mark, what will be the pattern, how NPTEL will calculate the score. All those detail I will discuss in the coming video. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Tech Group. And if you really like my work, don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Have a good day. Happy.